What's up, my little LeadWorthy friends? So if you're watching this, you're looking for a little more clarification on the assignment, or you are KVA. So the worksheet today is basically like, let's just imagine you can meet face-to-face someone famous, real, okay? And you get to meet them. What are you going to say? How are you going to introduce yourself? How are you going to say, it's somebody you want to meet, not just somebody famous you really don't care about. So these questions you're going to ask is, what is a famous person you want to meet? What's their name? Why do you want to meet this person? What are they known for? Where do they live? How are you going to, what specifically makes them famous? Go into detail. How are you going to introduce yourself when you meet them? What emotions would you want to convey in words in first meeting them? And what do you want them to know about you? Like, pretend you're really going to meet them. And you need to write down what you're going to say, because you're going to get all flustered, because they're famous, and you might pass out. So, there's a double on that, sorry. So what emotions do you want to convey? Sorry about that. What is the most powerful memory you have about the person or about their influence? So, like, let's say you pick a musician. Like, there has to be something that you remember about the first time you're like, oh, I really love this guy's song. Okay? So, and like I said, as if you were telling them personally. And then, what would you want to say as you were leaving? If you never see them again, you got to meet this famous person who is someone you look up to. How are you going to exit that? So, all this stuff, really put some effort into it and give me good detail. And we're going to do something with this next week. Okay? So, stay tuned. Have a good weekend.